Hello everyone and welcome back in the New York session. About to start, news are coming out soon, which is going to be the what's the number again? How unemployment claims? Yeah, unemployment claims. Expecting more than last time. Could be bearish, I don't know. We do have a new day opening gap still down there, so I don't know. ES almost made it down there. I'm gonna put an alert for ES just in case if it would like to go there. We're gonna keep an eye on for Nasdaq. So yeah, it's at, yeah, we're gonna keep an eye on that for sure. All right. Trader G, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Well, here we are, waiting for the news. Greg, hey there. How's the construction? They're building. I'm gonna keep an update, you guys. How's the construction going? They are working all morning, all day. So we're gonna do updates weekly about the construction from now on. Okay, Joseph, hey there. Általában mind a két irányban mehet. Sorry guys, just a few seconds in Hungarian. Általában mehet mind a két irányba. Rossz számokra számítanak, tehát elvileg lefelé kéne szúrnia, de van, amikor pont fölfelé és fordítva, tehát az a lényeg, hogy mindenkit széthúzzon minden irányba. Mind a két irányba ki fog lőni. Egy-két másodperc alatt. Az a kérdés, hogy merre. Mármint, hogy milyen sorrendben. Alright. Special Hungarian meeting right now. Good morning. Hey, Shinda. Best to wait for the news release. I mean, wait for the first 5 to 10 minutes to see a direction. We can expect a spike lower to the 70s since it's quite close. We just don't know if first is going to spike higher or not. We're expecting a lower number. Sorry. We're expecting a higher number, which is more unemployment. That would technically mean unemployment is a bad thing, you know, but I was watching some economic materials about trading and you know, all these stock exchange stuff. So anyway, bigger unemployment numbers doesn't necessarily mean bad for the stock exchange. It's actually kind of a refreshing thing because more unemployment is... Anyway, I'm not gonna go in that street because I'm not gonna get out from that. But I was watching some education about this, and the point was that it's not necessarily a bad thing, more unemployment claims, because the labor market in the US is very tight right now, so very small number of unemployment, and so the market actually weights more unemployment because I don't know why. So that's the main thing. So maybe the market is waiting for more unemployment claims. It might take it as a positive note, a refreshing thing to happen. Good evening now. Unemployment rates will come higher. Yeah, I mean, it has positive and negative aspects as well. But yeah. We will wait and see what this will bring us. I wouldn't be surprised, of course, on a spike, But first, we could be seeing a spike higher, a squeeze, before we get down to the new day opening gap. Who knows? Who knows? They like people out of work, more government assistance, and more spending, shopping. There you go. Now, something like this. It was something like this. Now said it. In the video I was watching about economics, it was something about this. The more assistance from the government, the more money pouring into the economy, more spending. Spending is gonna, you know, it's gonna, anyway, it's gonna help the spending. More spending is good for stock exchange. But there is an opposite way too, so don't quote me on all these things, but it was something similar like this. Did you listen to Biden's speech on? No, I didn't. Good morning, Mario. What did he say? I wouldn't, én nem csinálnám. Én nem, az irány az még lehet, hogy nincs meg 5-10 percig. Be careful, József. He's asking if we have a direction, is it worth to open a trade in the direction? The problem is we don't know the direction. Maybe there is not going to be any direction until the stock exchange open. For example, this can happen like this. Goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up. And we're going to be doing this all the way until the market open. It can easily do that. So we don't know. That's why we have to wait most likely until the market open. Yep. Low income, good for them. There you go. So it's a very, very big question. And we don't know the answer. Igen, elég csalogatós. You can try to risk it, József. If you want to risk it for the biscuit, go for it. Methodical man, I'm full sending evaluation. Let's go. Let's go, methodical man. Celebrity in the house, guys. Oh, no soundboard. I was pushing the button, but the soundboard application was not. There you go. Celebrity in the house, guys. So full sending. Methodical man, I know we were talking about the joint stream last week, but I might get you later on Discord. I might want to full send Apex or BULENOX accounts tomorrow. I don't know. Not today. I'm not in the mood full sending evaluation, but on a Friday we could be doing some party, you know, sending a few accounts. Not too much, like 3 to 5 accounts I'm thinking to send. Maybe you could do that. I mean, I could do that. I'm thinking like 2 Apex, maybe 3 Apex accounts and 2 BULENOX accounts, full sending. And we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens after the news. Or some news. 5 micro. You can do it with 5 micro. I'm gonna do it with minis for sure. But yeah. I wonder what's gonna happen now. 10 minis. There you go. 10 mini. That's how you do it. 10 mini. On BULENOX you can go with 7. I think on Apex you can go with 7 on a 50k, right? Maybe I'm wrong. I don't even know how many minis I can open on Apex with a 50k. I think 7. I don't know. Doesn't matter. 7 on BU, 10 on Apex. Okay. So 10 minis on Apex. Full send. Boom. Let's go. It really has to go strong in one direction. It has to go strong. And a take profit should be in place. But yeah. 7 on Bully. Yeah. Oh man. If I purchase 100k MyFundedFutures, then what the contract size for risking? On the starter, it's 3 mini. On the evaluation, I think it's 15. Let me check. No, not 15. Sorry. Let me check on the evaluation. Sorry, come on, man. On the expert, you can go 12. How many contracts? 15, yeah. 15 contracts. 15 contracts on an expert and 3 contracts on a starter account. So there's a difference. But you don't have to pay activation fee if you pass on the expert. 15 on the expert, 3 on the starter. So go for it, full send everyone. 1 minute 40 seconds. Get ready, burn those accounts to the ground. Let's go. Now we're gonna do it tomorrow, I think. But hey, if some of you guys are doing it now, I say, if you want to, if you feel the need to go in with full port, I say, you know, don't say no to the urge. Let it take over you. Give yourself to the market, you know, give your full mind to the market and just push the button, fat finger that button, full contracts, all in, who cares? And get your credit card ready near you and go all in. That's what I say. Who cares about the result? Just go all in. Okay, I think it's not financial advice though. Go all in. It doesn't matter. We only live once and there is no sequel. So oh man. 30 seconds, guys. 30 seconds. Get ready. We are gonna get wrecked here. No, I'm not. I'm actually just waiting. 20 seconds, guys. Get ready. Get ready. Countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's going up, spiking up, spiking up. What's gonna happen? Is it gonna go full up? It went down. What happened? Now that's what I was talking about. It almost went down to the gap. It made kind of like an indecision candle or something like that. I didn't even know. But this was interesting, to say the least. Interesting. So this is kind of like a doji if it would close like this. Exactly something that I was... let's wait for the close. Let's wait for the close. Try it with the 1 micro. No. Volatility in full effect. Stop loss is getting taken out on both ends. Exactly now. No, I'm not trying anything. I'm just waiting. It did go down like 86. From 86, it went down to 72. It's not too much for Nasdaq. I could imagine. I mean, this level just got more interesting. The new day opening gap just got more interesting. What is happening there? Okay, ES did the same. If I would, but I'm not doing it. If I would want to go all in, maybe I would short it now to go for the new day opening gap, but it's very dangerous, so we might have to wait for the market open. Another 1 hour, guys. But for Nasdaq to go 10 points is nothing. It's 1 second, 2 seconds. If it decides to wick inside that new day opening gap, boom, it can do it. Nasdaq can do it. It's not financial advice, guys. I have to say that. It's in the description too. It's not financial advice, but Nasdaq can go down 20 points in a few seconds if it wants to. after a news like this. Taking out liquidity on both sides. I'm not looking at bookmap, but if I would look bookmap, I'm sure that it's super red down here. It's like screaming down there. Everybody's sweating, screaming. All hell is loose down there at the 670, below 670. I think everybody is screaming like end of the world is coming for those contracts down there, or those orders. Sorry, those are just orders right now. But it could stay like this. So look at this. It could be staying like this. Maybe it will do some wicks here and there. And then maybe after market open, we will get down there. Don't forget it. Can be happening. Hopefully it will at least wick inside that new day opening gap. On the other hand, and I'm sorry if I'm scaring everyone, if the quote-unquote market makers know that the retail people want to enter into this gap, they just do one more squeeze to the upside before they sending it down. So this is a gamble here for sure. Well, guys, it is what it is. Bum, bum, bum. I have to watch Dune once more tonight. I so love that movie that I have to watch it again. It was so great. Bum, 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 bum. All right. Oh no, it's going up. Oh no, oh no. Should be going sideways here. Okay. I didn't open no direction. I think you did well. That's a skill, by the way. That's a skill to say no to the urge. Like, you really want to push the button, but that's actually a good skill to have. Not to open position. Oh man. What's that, Greg? I can't see it. Oh, look at that. It's dirty. It's going up. It doesn't want the new day opening gap. It wants to go higher. Both ES and NQ. Damn it. And this is why it's good not to be in a position before market open. Not yet, at least. Exactly. Exactly. Trader G. I have Quant Hour loaded up here in case I would like to take a trade. Okay, you guys can see it. Fine. Perfect, perfect. It did poke a little bit higher. Also on the mini. So took liquidity up there. Maybe it will go down. All right, still waiting. Okay. Let's just wait and see. No setups. Do we have anything else here? Existing home sales. All right, so this here confirms that there's no clear direction is going to take place until after 10 a.m. Just saying. Existing home sales. I know it's a medium driver, but market is gonna want to wait for this news. I'm telling you, it's gonna be Chop City until 10 a.m. Chop City until 10 a.m. Almost 100% sure. Look at that. Now it might want to go down. 79. Almost down to the 70s. Oh, let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. I feel like it can go. One more push. But I'm not taking it. I definitely do think that we should be going lower. Question is when. So what do you guys think about the huge flood in Dubai? Interesting, right? They were messing up with the clouds or something? I don't know. Messing up with the weather? You get more rain. Okay, we're officially stopped. Just ain't right. No, I'm not. I'm not long. I'm not in any position. I didn't take anything. The only thing I do think that's gonna happen is we're going into that new day opening gap right now. It took that high. Now it's just spiking lower to take that liquidity in the below the 70s. Should be spiking into it any second now. This was quite a nice drop here. There you go. And now we, well, almost. It's not official yet. It's not official yet. So there you go. Now it's official. All right. So that was it. Liquidity has been taken just as we expected it, but didn't have the balls to trade it. But at least we were expecting it. ES didn't go for the new day opening gap. It's down there. So we could see some further drop until ES gets there. And we would also need this. I mean, it would be much better if we would have down close candles on 5-minute or higher time frame. You passed one and failed one. Dude, that deserves an applause for sure. Where's my soundboard? It's gone again. Anyway, oh, here it is. Congratulations. You know, 1 out of 2 is super awesome. That is awesome. What kind of evaluation you passed? Apex, Bully? What were you sending? What kind of, was it a 50k? Oh, I'm sorry. I don't want to yawn here. Was it a 50k? Oh man, I do feel a little bit of FOMO. Apex 50k, nice. I was thinking to sacrifice an Apex account, which I still have, but an evaluation to go for this one. No. I have to stop thinking about that. But it was so obvious. I mean, if we go down to the 1 minute, took the high there. Pretty nice moves. As soon as we broke lower here, on this low, that would have been easy 10 points. Easy 10 points. All right. So now that it took liquidity, ES didn't take it yet. So where can this one go? I don't know. On the 15 minute, everything in the near vicinity here has been taken. The next buy side should be up there above 734. Other than that, nothing. ES is spiking higher. Let's see, are we gonna go or not? Yeah, Joseph is saying he found a pretty cool strategy. Well, I can tell you, Joseph, that really, no joke. Yeah, I understand. Just gonna talk a second in Hungarian. Nekem is, hidd el, annyi stratégiát backteszteltem már, olyan sokat, hogy el se hinnéd, hogy milyen számokat hoz ki, főleg backteszteléskor. Ajaj. Alright. Nem mondom, hogy ne próbáld ki, csak azt mondom, hogy rengeteg van, ha jót találsz. Alright, the short in the morning was good. The short in the morning was good, I think. So, I mean, that short played out pretty good. And I don't even know where was the exit. I think I exited somewhere here. So the morning trade was a real good one. Might going to do recap videos of these trades that has been taken on streams. Yeah, so so Joseph is talking about a new strategy. I mean, one he found with very good results. And I always say, if you find a good strategy, forward test it on a demo account at least for like 2 or 3 weeks. I don't say for months. Just forward test it during day trading with proper risk management for 2 or 3 weeks. And don't cheat. It's very important. Do not cheat against yourself. So, for example, if you lose a trade with the strategy, don't try to recoup the loss by opening some extreme position and you know, getting back to profit. Execute all the trades with the same strategy. If you do that for 2 or 3 weeks and you're profitable, that's great. You can also do it on an evaluation account because there are so many cheap ones. So if it's working, at least you're feeling a little bit of extra pressure. And yeah, so I might gonna do some back testing too maybe sometime in the future on the stream. But as far as backtesting goes, for me, I'm not a huge believer. I mean, backtesting is good, but it's not gonna change too much. It's good for collecting information about a certain strategy, so that's very good. Anyway, almost a vegan. Yeah, almost a vegan. I have to lose a lot of weight. Today is my first day by not eating carbohydrates and sugar. The only sugar I made a deal with my fiance. The only sugar I eat or consume, sorry, the only sugar I consume is just a slight bit of sugar to my morning coffee. That's it, because I need a little bit. I don't like sweetener in my coffee. Sometimes I do that, but I was reading too many articles that sweeteners are going to kill you with cancer. So I choose diabetes instead of cancer if I have to. So no carbohydrates. That means no bread and, you know, all the rest of the stuff. But I'm going to eat meat too. Some meat. I need to eat some meat, a little bit. Most likely chicken. And more vegetables and fruit. A little bit of fruit and more vegetable. It's gonna be crazy. I have to lose minimum, the least minimum I have to lose is 10 kilograms. But the goal is to lose 15 kilograms. I'm overweight pretty much. I'm almost 100 kilograms, guys. 100 kilograms. I'm overweight with at least 14 or 15 kilograms. I need to lose that. I need to go to around 90. If I go down to 90, I would say, okay, I can take slow it from there, but I have to get down to 90 kilos. I need to. I am 184 or 185 centimeters, which is 6.06 or just a little bit above 6 foot, like right in the US, 184 centimeters. I think that's not 99%. I need to be below 90 kilograms, but instead I am now at 100, guys. I'm same size as you and 205 pounds. How much is that in kilograms? 205 pounds. I'm gonna 205 pounds to kilogram. 92. There you go. That's 92. I was looking at some sheets about this and you know, some websites which say that I should be below 90, but it doesn't. But I do have to go down to below, like you, 92. I need to go to 90 kilograms. I need to. Guys, I have some nice clothes. I have some nice shirts, which I can't put on because I look like an idiot. I look like a clown. If I put it on, I have like I have woman breasts, guys. I have breasts. Really. I put on so much weight. I have breasts now. And I have to use like I had to buy some new clothes because the clothes that I used to wear, don't fit me anymore. It's not good. And it's because sitting here, I know that I sit at the computer too much. Need to go out and do cardio, running, bicycle, whatever. But first of all, my friend of mine told me he's working in a gym. He told me that whatever I do, I can run all day long. I can ride the bicycle all day long. But I have to start eating differently because none of that is going to work if I don't start to eat differently. So I need to lose weight. Man boobs. Exactly. I have man boobs, I had to throw away my fat clothes and started wearing school days jeans. Exercise can help that. Yeah, I mean, I want to do more exercise. So the way I'm going to do it is I'm starting the diet or eating less of this stuff, and I'm gonna start by going for long walks. I already did that a few times in the past 2-3 weeks, but I have to do it on a regular basis now, like at least 4 times a week, and at least the bare minimum, if I walk, I have to walk like 5 to 8 kilometers in the next 2 or 3 weeks, 4 times a week minimum. And that's just the start. Sometimes I have to jog a little bit. So anyway, it's a problem. Because I'm sitting too much at the computer. And that's how easy weight is coming on. Of course, we had Christmas, so I was eating everything. I can, if I could see some cake or cookies or whatever during Christmas, I was eating everything like crazy. And another bad thing, because of stress, if I'm stressful, I start to eat. It's a bad habit. Many people has the same issue. Some people have the opposite. Many people, if they are stressful, they don't eat. They can't eat. I'm the opposite. If I'm stressful, I'm eating sweets, sugar, candy, chocolate, whatever. I'm eating all the sweets if I'm stressful. So I had a lot of stress, and I was eating everything. I literally stopped at the gas station, not now, a few weeks ago. I literally stopped at the gas station just to buy some chocolate. That's how bad it is sometimes. So I have to stop with that. That's not good. I go to the gym every morning and I'm 69 years old, 6'1". There you go. Tom R. That's what I should be doing. You can do it, my friend. I really want to lose this weight. So and I also feel it when I climb the stairs, when I go out to the street walking. When I'm carrying weights, I feel that, oh man, this is not good. I'm getting tired. It's not. I'm not getting oxygen. You know, it's bad. It's bad. And I have to do something with my man boobs. Anyway, today everything started. So, stress eating. How old? I'm 40 years old. I'm gonna be 40 next month. In 1 month is gonna be my birthday. The 20th of May is my 40th birthday. So 40 years old next month. So it's a psychological thing. Yeah. Just switch 780 dark chocolates when you get the craving. Yeah. I did that and now I can't stand regular candy. Wow, that's a good idea. Your girlfriend isn't telling you this. No, she is telling me. She is telling me almost every single day when I open the fridge or open some well, not now. Today I'm not, but the other day when I was opening some chocolate in the kitchen and she was already looking at me like, come on, you don't do that. You shouldn't do that. So she always says that. Yeah. Just find that you have black hair. I have black hair. It's more brownish, but I have like a lot of not bald spots, gray hair coming on the side. It's more likely brownish. Ciao. Hi again, Inky. How you doing? We're waiting for the open, guys. We took the new day opening gap, so not much to do. Not much to do. So the only thing that I can have is one little bit of sugar for my morning coffee. And that's it. Yeah, I'm gonna take it slow. I did it once before. I'm gonna try once more. So if I take it slow, I suppose that I should be losing weight, should be losing 10 kilograms by midsummer, or by the end of summer. Should be down 10 kilos at least, by not doing crazy diet or anything, but I'm just putting down these sweets and carbohydrates and taking long walks. I want to fit in my clothes again. I have some nice clothes, expensive clothes I bought in the past. I do love them. I want to wear them again. So okay, still waiting. Oh man, oh man, we're just waiting. What sport am I doing? I right now nothing, but last year, sorry, not last year, before last year, in 22, I went to the gym, but it was good lifting weights, but didn't really change my didn't really change too much on me, because I was still eating not too healthy. So it was good for the mind, that it was really good lifting weights, but yeah, a man should be allowed to enjoy sweets and pasta once in a while. Yeah, exactly. That shit is lame. It's not like Tom is fat, man. Like, yeah. Well, sometimes you can eat those. I think everyone can agree on that. That sometimes you can eat the cake and eat the pasta, eat all you want. I mean, not sometimes, but not always. You should point out something about her, maybe. Cycling works for weight. Maybe I'll do that. What is something she does? Oh, she likes to shop for clothes, you know. she likes shopping for clothes, new clothes. Yeah, that's what she likes. You should see her wardrobe. It's not even a wardrobe anymore. It's like a separate room for her clothes. So my clothes are I mean, anyway, my clothes are like super simple. But she has a completely different room, a separate room for clothes. So all right, still 23 minutes. We need a weekly update from you on progress. Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, That's a good idea, actually. That's why I want to do the weekly vlog series. I'm gonna put it on a different playlist, so it's not gonna be confusing. It's gonna be a little bit trading related, but it's most likely gonna be, you know, real life personal stuff, you know, that I can share on the stream, or sorry, on the channel, and a little bit trading related stuff. But I think it's gonna be also about how I'm trying to lose weight, where I'm going, if I'm walking somewhere, if I'm taking a trip somewhere, if I look at some places, you know, it will be a little bit of a vlog. I know it could be downgrading my YouTube channel, because for now, I guess YouTube is putting me in the niche for traders. But if I start to do a vlog series in a different playlist, it could be, you know, downgrading my channel, because the professional our professional online marketing companies are saying that if you're putting on videos about everything, then YouTube cannot really get you to the place where you want to be. So anyway, that's a different topic. But yeah, you still need daily protein, or else your energy is going to go to shit quick, and that will affect your trading. Yeah, I'm thinking that too. There are some supplements that I can drink, I guess. Protein shakes, maybe. My friend told me, he was working in the gym, that if I go to this diet, just like you said, I need to add some protein to my body. So there are some shakes that have nothing that is putting on extra weight. So very low calories, and I can drink that, so it will be easier. Pre-workout, yeah, pre-workout, but also use it as a supplement. Anyway, guys, we're just waiting. I'm talking about all this stuff because there's no trade to take right now. We're 20 minutes away from the market open, and we cannot really do anything in this. There is nothing we can go on this. So Tom, follow Dr. Ken Berry. It will change your life. Dr. Ken Berry. Let me write it down. Dr. Ken Berry. All right. Dr. Ken Berry. I like to write down things because Dr. Ken Berry. All right. Thank you. Noted. He has 3 million subscribers. All right, I'm going to search for it. He saved your life. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna look after that. Dr. Ken Berry. All right. All right, all right. Look at this. Oh my god, on a 1 minute. It looks terrible. I tried to look for something else here. Maybe I should take a trade. I mean, not now, but on a new evaluation too. another choppy day. I'm telling you, I can make a bet as well. It's gonna be chopping until 10 a.m. There's gonna be no direction until 10 a.m. guys. Absolutely no direction. Everybody's gonna wait for the housing numbers. What is that? Existing home sales. Everybody's gonna wait for that. It's nothing is gonna change. It's gonna be a barcode chart like this. 10. Here is 3:13 right now in my time. 3:13 p.m. It's 3:13 p.m. It's so hard to pronounce the 3 for me as Hungarian. You know, our pronunciation is so much different. For me to pronounce 3:13 as difficult. 3:13. I would like to say 13, but I cannot say F. 13. I can't. It's hard to say. 3:13. Or I just split my keyboard. Anyway. Bum, 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 bum. So, I'm just saying that we're in the second part of the month and only next week is the last full week. I would say grab your MyFundedFutures accounts, sir, with the starter plan, because it doesn't get any better than this. Lifetime $50, and the activation fee is also lifetime discount. So even if you're not passing it in 30 days, the discount is going to stay on the account. So grab a few of those. I would do it definitely. I did that actually. So and yeah. Also, I'm not sure if BULENOX is going to do the 90% next month, but Apex gives you 80% still as lifetime. Check those out. And if you click on my link on TOPSTEP, and if you register for an account, you get an additional 20% discount from your first account. It's a very good deal for a 150k account, for example. And your first reset is going to have a 50% discount as well with TOPSTEP. So also hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I do appreciate it. Helps out the journey and the channel. Thank you so much. All right. Look at this 5-minute chart. Absolutely nothing. Okay. Oh man, oh man. Just waiting. Guys, nothing is going to move until the market open. I'm sure about that. All right. Just put out the promo there. Let's wait and see what's gonna happen. Bum, 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 bum. Let's wait and see. How is the daily NQ, the daily Nasdaq? Let's check it. The daily. Oh wow, look at this on the daily Nasdaq. Very interesting. Just took out this sell side. the daily chart. There was a sell side at, this is interesting, wow. Oh my god. Down to 623, we took out a huge low here. A daily low has been taken out on the daily, and we have buy side here at 988. Below this, the next sell side would be on the daily, would be 471. The question is, are we gonna go lower? Wow, look at this. This is technically a bearish order block. A bearish order block. And also on the daily chart, there is a volume imbalance. Not liquidity void, but a volume imbalance right there with not that one, bearish order block daily with that one. So look at that. Buy side liquidity, fair value gap. Look at this. Quite a few targets up there to go back up. The question is, I mean, yesterday I totally forgot that we took out this low. Are we gonna go down? The whole number of 500 is still down there. I have to get above 8. It's a very dangerous place to be. If I check the 4 hour, we do have a buy side as well on the 4 hour. Buy side liquidity, 4 hour fair value gap. Very bearish, but as I look at these levels on the 4 hour and on the daily, look at it. What do I see? This is just the 4 hour. Not a beautiful, but it's not the beautiful one, but this is a order block. Order block. Order block. So order blocks all around the place. This one's been mitigated once as well. What does that mean? Can we go back up there? We have to get above 800, almost 800. So I can imagine we can go higher. I mean, why not? If I go back to the daily, one more push to the upside. Why not? We could do that. Yesterday, this one made a new low on the daily. So I would imagine that we could see some buy side right up there at 796. It can happen. So get ready for market open. 23. I don't know. Anyway, market's about to open in less than 2 minutes. I think I'm gonna open a chart here so we can see price moving in real time. All right. Most likely it's going to consolidate all the way until 10 a.m. as we were talking about it. So get ready for the opening bell. It's going to be super, super loud. I know you guys hate it, but I love you guys. So the opening bell is going to be extremely loud. It's going to last for 12 seconds. And yeah, so 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Market open for business. Okay, try to not mess around too much with this. I'm watching my other screen. So far, it's not doing anything special. The 15-minute is look like it wants to go down. We have a sell side at 640. The low is 638 actually. 638. 639. It wants to continue to drop. The 15-minute looks bearish. Might want to take out the 640. There you go. 640 is down here. Not sure if it wants it. There is sell side liquidity on the 15-minute at that level. Not exactly at that level, but at 39 something. You're going up for sure. Could be. It's very close to take out that sell side. Almost. Be careful, guys. Should be spiking lower to take the 40. There you go. Okay, sell side has been taken on the 15-minute. Next sell side is at 16. Down there. That's the next sell side. If it breaks 16, which is yesterday's low, look at that. ES, I don't have ES here on Quantower. I mean, it's not loaded up, but let's check on ES. ES also dropping because ES, I think, is gonna go for the new day opening gap down there. If that's the plan. And then NQ should be taking out the 16. I don't want to trade it for now. I'm gonna wait a little bit. ES is holding that area. But there you go. NQ is very close to take out the 616. Just one more push. One more push and it's out. There. 10 more points. No, not yet. Careful, it can reverse here. It can bounce. 10 points. 9 points. No, still don't want it. Still doesn't want it. Going up again. Getting denied down there. Bouncing up. What is happening with the VWAP? It's too far. Previous day low, didn't take it. ES going down. So one more try maybe from NQ to push it down. ES wants to go down to new day opening gap. Look at this. One more push. One more push and we will have 16. I'm not in a position, I'm flat. I have no orders, I'm flat. As you see, no working orders, nothing. So, well, we should be seeing the 16. No, not yet. Nasdaq says, go F yourself, I'm not going down there. Or maybe I'm going down there, if you talk nice to me. So, okay, this should be the push. A strong down close candle. Come on. News in 25. It's gonna take it out. There you go. 6 points. Okay, ES tapped into the new day opening gap, so there you go, and it took 616. The alert was for ES going into the new day opening gap. Huge drop on ES for the new day opening gap, and NQ is down. Everything has been taken, guys. Almost on the demand. 15 minute. On the 15 minute, oh yeah, you're trading supply and demand. Some, yeah, it could be, but anyway, now is the point, but we don't know what the hell is going on. ES dropping. Let's zoom out to the 1 hour. ES might want to go for previous day low. Look at this drop. Oh my god. We have to zoom out to the 1 hour. What is going on? Everything is dropping. Come on. Damn, what is happening? It's too much stress, guys. Next level is at 468. I can't bear with this. It's too much. 100 points down. The Nasdaq is going to take that. Oh my god. This is too much. Sell side liquidity at 469. I don't know. 47. Yeah, previous day low. Exactly at 47. Right on, Inky. There we go. What's gonna happen? Come on. I'm so nervous. I have no positions on, but it's too exciting. ES is dropping. 50.47. It will go there. Less than 5 handles. It will go. NQ ready for 100 points to drop. I can't bear this. This is too much. This is too much. I don't know. NQ is down. We have a move. I'm telling you, it's 100 points down. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. I know it's a lot. But look at the 4-hour NQ. Come on. Come on, Nasdaq. There. Look at this. 4-hour Nasdaq. Boom. 50.27. Guys. This is just too... come on, look. NQ is tanking. NQ is tanking. Or maybe they're just pricing in the house numbers. I don't know. 20 minutes until news. This is too much stress. Too much emotion. Too much stress. Unbearable. I don't know. Look at that. It's dropped. It's less than 90 points to go. And it's gonna make history. I mean, no history, but look at this drop. We're gonna go to the 500s before the news. What a drop. I'm not chasing this. I can't. I just can't chase this. Just can't do that. It's too much. I'm unable to chase this. Oh man. Oh man. To 500. Yeah, I think it can go. Let's put a line there to 500. Coordinates at 500. Just to see the whole number. Market is dropping like crazy. What a market. What a day. Don't know what to think anymore. Where is it going to go? You're up 6K. Congratulations. Makes up for your loss yesterday. Well, you know, I think that's the point, Daniel, when you should be closing the chart and walk away. I'm serious, Daniel. You can stay here and let's chat, you know, until the end of time, but close your charts if you don't want to walk away. Close the platform, whatever you use, close everything. And that's it. You're done for today. You're done. Finito. That's it. It's calling my name. No, it's calling my name. What can I do? It's calling me. It says, "Hey Daniel, I know you want to trade more. I'm here for you. You just have to push the button. There's more profit awaits you, Daniel. It wants you. Come on, Daniel. The market wants you. Just push the button. Just push it. Just a little bit. Just push it. It's hard. I know. Just push a little bit. That's what she said, right? I don't need this. Oh yeah. 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 I know how it is. I should be doing some cinematic intro dubs, you know, with this, you know, like, in a world where traders sit down at their computer, watching YouTubers making silly trades. Nobody knows what this guy's talking about, but still they're watching him. That would be me. Anyway. In a world. That's how all those movie trailers were starting back in the 90s and the 2000s. Like, in a world where this and that happened, someone with this and that showed to the world that this can be done differently. Okay, I'm not gonna do movie trailers, don't worry. But still waiting. Maybe I get an offer. You found your calling. Yeah. I should be finding some copyright-free cinematic background music. I should be talking like this. In a world where one can make a difference by trading on YouTube, nobody knows what he's talking about. Who cares? He always turns on the chat and just talks all kind of, and then you would hear like a beep sound. But still, everybody likes what he's talking because they don't understand yet. Those are the best ideas. Anyway, I'm gonna stop here. I'm just talking stupid. Sorry, guys. Interesting. Sorry, I'm just trying to pass time until we get the numbers. Is this like a retracement or something? Maybe if I look at the 1 minute, we are at optimal trade entry. If you guys want to go short again, this should be your continuation entry right at this point. I'm not kidding. I'm serious. Don't be sorry. I'm serious. If you guys want to continue to short this, this would be the first level to add something. It's not financial advice, but I was thinking the same. So this is the first level. Most likely it's gonna go up here, reprice this. There you go. And I don't know what the hell it's gonna do now. So you can build up a short position in this area and go for the new lows, but look at ES also repricing this level. Could be a continuation from here, guys. Second stage distribution to go short. I like the 500 level. Nothing's in the way. There's no order blocks to the left in the short term. Nothing special if we look to the left. Really, there's nothing. I can imagine this one continue to drop down. It's easy. I think it will flag. So yeah, it looks real juicy to go short from here. Look at the candles printing. Not sprinting, printing. I don't like this long wick pin bar. These are used to be, I mean, these usually like to be taken out. So price could be heading higher. If it trades above 33, we should be seeing 46 with the new gap. That was the market open, so the opening range is here. Maybe it will go. Okay. Still going higher. What happened? I don't know. I don't know what. Something is happening, definitely. It spiked up here, poked into liquidity. Now comes the decision point if it wants to go down or not. Does look good for a short, I must tell you. Looking real good. There you go. Started to drop. You're short. I mean, yeah, you can go short. Make sure to use proper stop loss maybe up there. And you can target the lows here. Maybe go lower to 500. I'm going to wait for the numbers in less than 8 minutes. Existing home sales is gonna come out. So I'll wait for that and we'll see if we have something. Anyway, let's wait for the news. Guys, if you haven't subscribed already, just do so. And push the like button if you can help out the stream. Thank you. And let's wait for the move. And if you see an advertisement popping up, you can also support the channel by just watching it. Here it comes. Could you please give me a TOPSTEP reset discount code? Wenley, I wish I could do that. I wish I could. Unfortunately, I can't. I can't. I mean, I am affiliated with them, but I don't have codes. The only thing you can do, I mean, I can do for anyone, if you register for a new account, you get a 20% discount if you click on my link. That's the only thing I can do for TOPSTEP right now. Sorry about that. But you know, there's still some good sales going on. Even with MyFundedFutures, instead of a reset, I mean, starting with the good starter account, you can also go with 150k account for $50. So $50 for 150k account at MyFundedFutures, that's a good deal. Up 8k now. Come on, Daniel. Come on, man. You are killing the market. $250k accounts. Nice. Still, 8k is 8k. No matter how many accounts you do that, that's a good profit. That's a good profit. Congratulations on that. Nice, nice. Good job. Good job there. By the way, if you guys don't want to pay activation fee, you can go with expert accounts as well. Yeah. I have been trading for almost 7 years. You worked for this. Daniel, I think you deserve it. I mean, with all honesty and seriousness, I think you very well deserve it. So, good job there. 7 years, you put in the work, and there you go. There you go. Daniel, I believe you. You went through hell. I think for one to be quote unquote successful, success is different for every trader, but for one to be successful in trading, you have to go through hell. And I believe you must have suffered quite enough, you know, getting to these profits. That must have taken a toll on you, both mentally and financially, physically as well. So I feel you there. You definitely deserve this. And again, congratulations. That's a good job there. Awesome. Awesome. Somebody pulled the plug. Anyway, the numbers are coming out in less than 1 minute. Any days I wanted to crawl under a rock and die. Oh, many days. Okay. I've been there. So I've been there. I know what you feel. And that's why there was a day, I keep this here. There's a jar filled up with coins. Right here. These are filled with coins. There was a day, not too long ago, when the only available money I had to buy food is to take money out from these coins. So trust me, I know. I know how it is. I absolutely feel you there. Okay, the numbers came out. Nothing really happened so far. I think everybody's waiting for the move to happen, finally, in the silver bullet hour. I'm gonna use the bathroom. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Please don't go away. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So, let's see. Maybe this is the continuation we've been waiting for. Not sure. It's hard to tell how these candles want to print or go. The thing is, we made some new lows. I'm watching for ES. Still wants to drop, I think. ES might want to go for that previous day low. Not sure. I'm not sure. Still checking. NQ is definitely indecisive at this point. Does it want to go back to the market open range or not? Or is it gonna continue to drop? Feels heavy, but poked higher a little bit here. Hard to tell. ES is in a barcode chart right now on the 5-minute. Totally indecisive at this point. Stuck in one place right now. She's a flagger. Could be. What I like in this is that we have a gap here. Still waiting to be taken out. It's not a perfect gap, I know, but I do like it. It has been tagged, but I want to go back up there. It's like 40 points. But we don't have enough volume. Crazy. It's a trap. I don't know. I don't know, because I had no entry here. Basically nowhere. There is no entry model here for me. Could this be a bear trap? I mean, if you guys were short from this upper quadrant here, maybe from here, this can be still good. But this gap is still very tempting to be retested once more. It's like 25 points. It can do it. Look at that. One displacement here. It can go up. Look at this. It wants to go up. I mean, for now it looks like it wants to go up. Otherwise, I don't know. Looks like it wants to get tagged in that fair value gap once more, like for now. So it went into the gap. Hard to say. I don't trust this move. Reclaiming the gap right now, again. And we don't know the next move right now. If you go to the 5-minute, it's great. Hey Zoltan, good to see you. Üdvözöllek. How you doing? If I go back to the 1 minute, there is a gap again here. Is this going to be enough to take it to the highs? Market opening range is up there at 78. If you enter here, this is an aggressive entry because it already took out this high. If you enter, for example, at the 30s, down there, to a long, then this could be a good risk to reward. But I don't know. You're well done with the job. Nice, nice. You're long since 17,606. Oh wow, that's a good one. You're sitting in good entered on the box setup. Nice. Could be going up to 78 since that's the market range, opening range. Regular trading hours, it looks like, well, still some places to go, but let's keep on waiting. So this was your entry if you want to continue long in this gap. Look at this. It's still going. Well, it wants to go. So almost 30 points up there, what I would target in this long. We are in discount. Oh man, it's stuck again. What is happening? We're still in the kill zone, but... And in the silver bullet hour, of course, everybody's favorite hour. But where is the draw on liquidity? If this one is just, you know, taking more and more liquidity on the 5 minute, where can it go? It's going higher. Look at this. Maybe I should have entered on this retracement. Sorry, pullback. Maybe. Guys, if you haven't already, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. That would greatly help out the channel and the stream. Thank you so much. And also, if you'd like to support, click on my links here in the chat or in the description. Some very good sales going on at these prop firms. Thank you so much. Look at this. Grad liquidity. What if it displaces lower? I wonder if it's going to displace lower. Still stuck up there. Look at this. It might be going for the 78. Zoltan, you're happy, of course. You're happy it's stuck up there. The opening range is up at 78, so if they want to send it higher, they have to. I mean, they or the market algorithm, whatever. They have to go through, or it has to go through 678. That's just mandatory to happen. Target is top of the opening range. Yeah, so the opening range is here, I think. It's not 100% accurate, but it's 99% accurate. 78. Yeah, for you. Yeah. Look at this dirty thing going down again. Needs some more steam. Because if we look on the 1 hour, there's not much to do for price. Went down, left a lot of targets up there. A lot. And I'm not even looking at the 4 hour, just the 1 hour. There's a lot of targets, so 78 would be juicy to be taken. I made $429 on a new evaluation account on Apex today, and that's it. And we made a good trade in London session on the MyFundedFutures evaluation account. But damn, I have to trade the... tomorrow is Friday, so on Friday I'm not gonna trade funded accounts anyway. But... let's go. Come on. Why is it going down? Should be going through this. There is kind of a congestion zone up here. But that doesn't mean it should not go. It has to go inside that zone, which is above the 78. The more I try to figure this out, the more I feel that this one can be something dirty or just consolidation all the way until 11 a.m. Same situation, like the kill zone ends, and while approaching to lunch hour, we might be having the move that we were waiting for. That might be happening. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. Oh, come on, look at this. Now it's finally going. This should be the push, come on. Got rejected multiple times on the downside. Push it through the weave up and the 200, boom. Come on. A little bit more than 20 points and it's fine. Not that I have any positions, but Okay. Well, it's ranging. I think we're gonna stock here for a little bit. Oh no, it's going up. That's cool. I mean, that's great, really. Let's see how it goes. I don't really like that area up there. Do we have any other news coming up? Nothing serious. There's gonna be FOMC member talking in about half hour. I don't think that's gonna be that serious. Okay, now it's going. Finally. Look at that. Up to 78. Should be going up to 78. Come on. Got through this range. Should be popping higher into 78. Let me check it here. Is it gonna get taken? I wonder. Repriced that candle. Oh no. Looks trouble. Looks trouble for now. Almost got to the high of the range there. ES got there too. Yeah, I think they should push it through here. Man, VWAP and EMA strong resistance. The 200 and the VWAP is acting as resistance. It seems like it. Question is, can they hold it, or can it hold? Or we're gonna go through with one more push to 78. Oh, I just got logged out. So 57, yeah. Should be getting higher, right? There you go. There you go. Almost at the top of the range. Now it's going for it. All right, anyway, I think I'm gonna cut it here because I'm not taking more positions. This should go through 78, hopefully. And I have no trades on right now. I'm flat. And this is it. So, guys, thank you so much for watching today. I'm gonna be coming back tomorrow in the London session as usual. There might be some giveaways tomorrow. We'll see. And make sure to subscribe, like the stream, or sorry, the video, the stream, yeah. And stay tuned. Also, if you would like to support, grab these discounts offers. That really helps out the channel if you click on the links and purchase some of these evaluation accounts from these prop firms. Thank you, Zoltan, for being here, and everyone who was here, and Daniel, and to everyone who was watching. Szép napot neked is. This is a little bit of a slow movement here. I don't want to sit here. I was sitting here quite a lot today, and anyway, I enjoyed it. We had some good trades, good talks. See you guys tomorrow in the London session. Have a good evening or morning or night. Take care. Be safe.